In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the four main types of averages, which are the mode, median, mean, and range. So first of all, we're going to look at the mean. So to calculate the mean, you have to add all the values and divide by the total number of values. So I'm going to give you an example here. So we need to calculate the mean of 2, 5, 7, 8, 5, and 3. So the first step is to add all the values that you're given. So we're going to do 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 and 3. Once we do that, you're going to get an answer of 30. Now we're going to count how many values there is. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. So we're going to do 30 divided by 6, which is 5. So the mean is 5, and it's that simple. So now we're going to look at the mode. So the mode is the most common / frequent value. So the 1 is the value that appears the most. So in this sequence, you have to calculate the mode. So in this sequence, you see you have 2, 0, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2. As you can see, 2 is the most common. It appears 3 times while the rest of the values only appear once. So the mode is very simple. It's just 2. If there is no common value, the answer is no mode. If there is no common value, because in some questions you get an answer, they try to trick you, and there's no common value, and they just want to trick you to get the answer wrong. But if a value, for example, if we have 2, 3, 2, 3, we have a sequence here, and you see that 2 is in this sequence twice, and 3 is in this sequence twice. Nothing is common because they both appear twice. So the answer is going to be no mode. So now we're going to look at the range. So the range is the difference between the biggest and the smallest value. So we're going to do the biggest number minus or subtract the smallest number. So I'm going to give you an example here. So we need to calculate the range of 5, 7, 7, 3, 9, 1 in the sequence. So the biggest number is 9 and the smallest number is 1. So we're just going to do 9 minus 1 and we're going to get 8. And it is that simple. Now I'm going to look at personally the hardest average to calculate because it requires a lot of work. It's the median. For example, to calculate the median, we need to order the value from smallest to large and then find the middle value. So to do this, we have an example here. It's 2, 4, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3. In this sequence, we're going to order it from smallest to largest. We get 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. We ordered it. Now, to calculate the middle value, we need to learn this small formula. It's n plus 1 divided by 2. So n is the number of values. So if you count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Meaning that the fourth value in the sequence is the middle value. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this value is the middle number. So this median is 4. Now the slightly harder median question, and it's this. We need to calculate the median as was from in the sequence 1, 4, 2, 5, 5, 6. So first of all, we need to make it in order. So from smallest to biggest. Now we need to write the formula down. So it's going to be n plus 1 divided by 2. And what we're going to do is that we are going to see how many values there are. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. As you can see, it is not a whole number. It is not an integer. Meaning that we cannot see what the middle value is straight away. So what we're going to do is that we are going to find 3.5 between 3 and 4. So it means that we need to find the third value. The third value is 4, and the fourth value is 5. So the answer is going to be between 4 and 5. So we need to calculate what's the middle number between 4 and 5. So we're going to do 5 plus 4 divided by 2. And 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. And the middle value is 4.5. So if you can calculate, the value between 4 and 5 easily, because you can do it in your brain easily. So if it didn't show you working out to calculate the middle value between 4 and 5, you wouldn't lose marks. And this is how you calculate. I hope you understood how to calculate the 4 main types of averages, and I see you in the next video.